Ramayana series episode 12, Rama's journey into the forest begins. After Bharat's tearful farewell and the handing over of the Padukas, Rama, Sita, and Lakshman continued their journey deeper into the wilderness. They had fulfilled their duty to the kingdom. Now began their tapasya, not in silence alone, but in action, patience, and endurance. They left Chitrakoot behind, walking through the forests of southern Bharat toward the unknown. As they entered Dandakaranya, a vast and sacred forest, the atmosphere changed. This was a land of sages and of Rakshasas, a land where dharma and adharma clashed daily. They visited many hermitages, where sages blessed Rama and pleaded with him, O Rama, protect us from the Rakshasas. Our yagyas are disturbed, our lives are in danger. Rama promised, As long as I breathe, I will uphold dharma. I will guard the tapasvis with this bow. And so the exiled prince became a guardian of the forest. In each ashram, the rishis offered him weapons and blessings. Sita, moved by the power of their penance, asked Rama, We have come to the forest to live in peace. Why must we now raise weapons? Rama answered with gentle strength, Peace must be protected. When adharma rises, it is the Kshatriya's duty to stand up. I shall not seek battle, but I shall not turn away from it either. Thus began the new vow, not just of exile, but of defending righteousness in the harshest lands. Rama, Sita, and Lakshman made their new home in the ashrams of sages, moving from one to another, spending months in silence, study, and service. But in the shadows, Rakshasas watched. They were no ordinary demons, but man-eaters, enemies of yagyas, servants of Lanka's darkness. The name of Ravana had not yet been spoken, but the vines whispered it in fear. The forests of Dandaka were vast, and Rama walked calmly within them. He knew not where Sita's fate would lead. He knew not what trials lay ahead. But he knew this: where dharma is threatened, I shall walk with my bow. Where the helpless cry, I shall stand beside them. Thus, the forest walk became a sacred journey, a vow lived one step at a time.